In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and connect a custom domain to Shopify. Having your own custom domain instantly makes your store look more professional and trustworthy. And the good news is that Shopify makes the whole process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, your store will be accessible through a clean branded web address. First, go ahead and open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your store. This is the main backend where you normally manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. Click on settings to open up all the configuration options for your store. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different sections. Find and click on the one labeled domains. This is where you manage anything related to your store's web addresses, whether you're buying a new domain through Shopify or connecting one you already own. On the domains page, you'll see an option to buy a new domain directly from Shopify. Click on Buy New Domain. This opens a search box where you can look for domain names that fit your brand. In the search field, type the domain name you're interested in. Try to keep it simple, easy to spell, and as close as possible to your store name or brand. Shopify will then show you which versions of that domain are available, along with different extensions like .com or others. When you find the domain you want and it's available, select it and then click on Buy. At this point, Shopify will show you the price and the billing details. Make sure you review the domain name carefully before you proceed so you don't accidentally purchase a misspelled version. Once you're happy with your choice, click on Buy Domain to confirm the purchase. The cost will be added to your Shopify billing and the domain will be registered under your account. This usually only takes a few moments. After the domain has been purchased, Shopify will guide you through connecting it to your store. In most cases, when you buy directly through Shopify, the DNS records are set up automatically for you. If you see any prompts about DNS settings or records, just follow the on-screen instructions and make sure the new domain is set as your primary domain if you want all traffic to go through it. Once that's done, your new custom domain will